On the other hand, ride-hailing app Grab says it will comply to the car seat rule for kids pending final guidelines. Let's get more on this from our Rex Remitio. He joins us live from Mandaluyong. Rex, what does this mean for Grab drivers and passengers?
Well, if you're a Grab driver, this means you need to have the proper child car seat before you can operate. Grab spokesperson Attorney Nika Hosaka says driver and passenger safety is their top priority. Hosaka, however, clarifies that they're still waiting for the final guidelines before they can determine their next moves. And Grab is also waiting for the Transportation Department's feasibility study results. This includes the feasibility of implementing the law to all units. That's why there's still no final arrangement yet between Grab and its drivers. Grab also says it's willing to shoulder some cost of drivers on the child car seats.
For the drivers naman po, those who are probably, again, rest assured that as we coordinate with the government, these are the steps or these are the factors that we will take into consideration in order for us to be compliant without any additional burden on the part of the drivers.
Grab says it has been preparing since Congress passed the law. Some of its drivers were selected to be part of the Grab family option in their app. This means you can book a driver now with child car seats under the option. The company has also coordinated with child car seat suppliers, but for some taxi drivers, meanwhile, making child car seats mandatory is too costly. While they're open to the policy, they hope the government will spend for them.
Para sa mga ano lang yan, sa mga private lang siguro, pero sa mga taxi siguro, alanganin din ho yan. Tutol po ako dyan dahil wala nang kinikita ang taxi.
Kung sasagutin nila yung pambili, okay lang. Pero kung sa operator, baka matigil ang biyahe ko.
Motoring expert James Deakin earlier told CNN Philippines the final word. The government should further study the law's implementation in public utility vehicles. He says that transport officials can apply what they will learn from its implementation on private cars to these public utility vehicles. Back to you.
Rex Remitio there reporting live from Mandaluyong.